commentators in there.
Dude, you're gonna have commentators.
Right.
Just shut up. Dude, did you see him eat that thing, Mark?
I did!
When he ate it, I was like, holy shit! I was like, I can't fucking believe it.
That's exactly what we planned for.
Oh, yeah, dude, we're on the break right now. I just went right back till we saw those mahis going nuts.
How deep is it?
Like 200 feet.
Can you keep the blue marlin?
No, buddy, but it's a feat in the world of catching them.
I think you can hit that gym, Blair.
You good, Arthur?
Yeah, it's going well.
We just pulled them all. Oh, no, we didn't. There's the lure. There he is, Jim.
Holy shit, that thing's massive. Holy crap.
You gotta release.
That thing's freaking massive.
Woohoo!
That ain't no small. I've never seen a fish that big. Holy shit. I mean, I've seen sharks, but...
Arthur, put the rod in the gunnel and go sit behind your Uncle Mark and take a picture. That's a nice fish, huh, Mark?
Go, Arthur.
Let's go, boys! Woo! First trip. Take pictures, Taylor.
All right, get some pictures.